Time for another tool check. Alright, it's your boy Reed coming back with another tool check. This is a snap-on ratchet. It's a long ratchet, about 25 inches long. Half-inch drive, flex head. Let's take a look at it. I wanted to set the, I just want to go over this right quick because this is one of the things that you deal with that is really hard to get pictures of. So I just want to make a quick little video right here to go over this. Over this ratchet. You can see the tape is pulled out. It's 25 inches long. Okay. Snap on. It's used. You can see a little dirt on there. Now, the model number on this is SHLF80A. SHLF80A. If you know snap-on, if you know about these ratchets, you're probably familiar. Just want to go over it because this is the type of things, this is one of the things that's one of the hardest things to take pictures of guitars. But something like this, any kind of long tool, just like a breaker bar or a long arm ratchet or something, even small ratchets, it's kind of hard to get pictures of. Anyway, you can see it's got some scratches on it, but it's pretty shiny. We'll look at the back side. I mean, I hesitate to, I just want to go over it so you can see. Sometimes I've seen these where there was damage on the grip. Don't see any damage on the grip. I see a little use. I see some dirt. And let's take a look at the drive head. Half-inch drive. Looks pretty clean, pretty clean. And right here you can see it stays up by itself easily. In those positions, 90 degrees. You know, you can bring it even a little further, and obviously that would stay up by itself, but you can have it leaning back like that, and it's staying up by itself. Anyway, no sense to make this too long, but oh yeah, let's verify that it's working. Let's do that. Sounds like a fine tooth. Hopefully you can hear that. It feels nice and tight. Nice and tight, nice and tight. And I'll switch it to the other way. Same thing. You know, it's working. It's in working condition. Let me see if I can find a socket. Let me see if there's a half-inch socket in here. Here's one that'll go good on this. Big old socket. I don't know how good this test is gonna go, but I know how, obviously you're not gonna be able to feel this like what I can feel, but I know how a ratchet feels whenever it's, it happens all the time. Hard to describe, but when it's got a little give in there or whatever, you know, I find that with a lot of older Craftsman ratchets. It's not just because it's Craftsman, it's just, I think it's just because I deal with a lot of Craftsman. A lot of older half-inch drive Craftsman ratchets, you'll feel they're still working, but there's a little give. It's got a little give in it. This doesn't have a whole lot of give. It's still nice and tight. Still nice and tight in both directions. Snap-on USA, the best of the best, man. 25-inch long ratchet. Just wanted to make a video of it. Hopefully you can see it a little better. Still, it's not the easiest even to get footage of this Ratchet even doing it like this. You got a lot of reflection, but I'm hoping that this is going to be a little bit better description than the pictures that we got listed on eBay. So take it for what it's worth right here. I'm hoping you can see it's nice and clean. It's got scratches there. You can see the scratches. It's used, but it's in good condition. And there's your snap-on Ratchet. Item number for us is 243907. That's our inventory number for future reference for myself.